our patties, and then we put the rest of the breadcrumbs, and then we fry them for a minute, and then I'm going to take them out, and then I'm going to put them in the oven for about 5 minutes for them to be finished cooked. Then I'm going to put them in the oven, and then they're going to be finished cooked, and the sooner they cook, I'm ready to take them out. So I'm already had some in the oven, so I'm going to take them out right now. Yes, and then we're going to make, so we're going to serve them on this plate. And that's how they look when they come out. Brown and crispy and nice. Do they look good? Don't they look good? Ready to eat.